During this season of Advent, as we prepare for the coming of Christ into the world again this Christmas, I want to offer some reflections on the scripture readings preparing us for Christmas. Today's reading comes from the prophet Isaiah, chapter 11, and it talks about the Messiah who would spring from the stump of Jesse. That means he would be of the house of David. And Isaiah presents a very clear view of what this Messiah would be like. He says, "The Spirit of the Lord shall rest upon him, a spirit of wisdom and of understanding, a spirit of counsel and of strength, a spirit of knowledge and fear of the Lord. And his delight shall be the fear of the Lord. Not by appearance shall he judge, nor by hearsay shall he decide, but he will judge the poor with justice and decide aright for the land's afflicted." The reading goes on. "Justice shall be the band around his waist, and faithfulness a belt upon his hips. Then the wolf shall be a guest of the lamb, and the leopard shall lie down with the kid. The calf and the young lion shall browse together, with a little child to guide them. The cow and the bear shall be neighbors. Together their young shall rest. The lion shall eat hay like the ox. The baby shall play by the cobra's den, and the child lay his hand on the adder's lair. There shall be no harm or ruin on all my holy mountain, for the earth shall be filled with knowledge of the Lord as waters cover the sea." This beautiful vision of the way the world can be, the way the world should be, the way the world God intended the world to be, was looked at by the writers of the gospel. And when they saw these verses, they said to themselves and wrote in their gospels, "Yes, Jesus is the Messiah that we've been waiting for. Jesus is the one who will bring justice and peace to the world." Thank you very much for watching today.